Do you know you can design a clean and professional logo using only PixelLab on your phone? Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create an amazing logo from scratch without using any complicated software. If you're a beginner, this tutorial will help you design like a pro. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, we'll be recreating this trend logo you can see right now on my screen. It's not difficult. I'm going to be showing you how to do this in your PixelLab. But then I would like to remind you of our first bootcamp that will be coming up in the month of March 12th to 14th of March. If you know that you have not joined our group yet, do well to join our WhatsApp group so you can participate in the training. I look forward to seeing you all. Now let's continue. Now the first thing you need to do is for you to go to opacity, reduce the opacity. The reason why I'm reducing it so that it can be easy for us to trace the logo. You understand? If you have done that, click on the right top corner of your phone, then lock it. Beautiful. Now I'll be using this tool called the Bezier tool. Please, I want to say this, and it is important. I'm not going to explain all the functionalities of this tool because of time. However, if you want me to do a detailed tutorial video on the Bezier tool, let me know in the comment section. This tool is very important. With this tool, you can create any kind of logo using PixelLab. So if you know you are interested in the tutorial video, do well to notify me in the comment section. Okay, let's continue. Now go back to the tool. Click on this icon under these actions. Now click on this icon under the Bezier mode. Move it to this point. Yes. Now one of the things you need to put into consideration whenever you are creating a logo is what type of logo should I create for my client. Now the reason why you need to know the type of logo you need to create is because we have different types of logo. We have mascot, we have pictorial, we have word mark, we have monogram, and the rest of them. Knowing this will enable you know the type of logo you should create for your client. So it is important you know this. I'm not going to be doing a detailed tutorial video on logo design. No, I'm just teaching you how to recreate this using your PixelLab. On the other hand, if you want me to do a detailed teaching on logo design, notify me in the comment section so that in my next tutorial video, I will do a detailed teaching on logo design. Having said that, let's continue. Now go back to this first icon under Bezier mode. We want to add more nodes, so follow me carefully. So tap on your screen, tap on your screen, tap on your screen, tap on your screen. So let's stop here for now. Now click on the second icon. The second icon will help us to adjust each of the nodes. So let's adjust to the first node. Hope you can see what I'm doing. It's not difficult. Just follow me carefully. Now move it. Okay. Just move it to this end. Beautiful. Now for this other side, move it. Just adjust it. Keep adjusting it. Okay. Just adjust it. Okay. Now let's adjust this side too. Bring it down. Okay, bring this down too. Okay. Now let's add another node to the line. For you to add another node, click on this second action. Yes. So move it. Okay, move it. Bring it down. So adjust this part. Let's adjust here again. So bring it down. So you can see what I'm doing. So take this down too. Okay. Okay. So bring it down. You know, it's like a C shape. So no part should be sharp. Now for this, I think we're going to take this away. Yes. Okay, now let's move this. Also move this. Okay, I think we'll move this too. Also move this. Okay, I think let's remove this for now. Let's see. Okay, so bring it down. So okay, don't worry, we are going to get it. Don't bother yourself. So reduce it here. So move it. So bring this down. Okay. Wow, this is beautiful. You see, one of the tools I love so much, or I love using, one of the tools I love using in PixelLab is this bezel tool. I'm telling you the truth. With this tool, you can create any kind of shape. So if you want me to make a tutorial video on how to use this tool like a pro, do well to notify me in the comment section. Very, very important. If you are interested in the tutorial video, do well to notify me in the comment section. Okay, let's stop there for now. We're still going to come back, but let's stop there for now. Now let's add more nodes. Add another one here. Add another one here. Then add another one here. So go back to the center icon. Let's work on them one after the other. Okay. I think we need to zoom in. Yes, for the sake of clarity. Let's zoom in. Okay, bring it down. Okay. Okay. Okay, bring it down. Okay, this is good. I know many of you be saying, Vixen this tool is very easy for you to use. Well, I took my time to learn how to use this tool. It seems very easy for you. The truth is that it's easy because I took my time to understand the functionality of this tool. Likewise, you too, you can also understand the functionality of this tool if only you take your time. Just take your time. It's not difficult. The way I'm doing it, it seems easy, but the truth is it's not as easy as you think. Just pay attention to it and you're going to understand how to use this. So let's add more nodes. So click on this, click on this, click on this, click this, click this. I think we are good. So now let's adjust the nodes one after the other. Bring it down. So that one, take it down. Yes, just take it down a little. Okay, take this down too. Okay. 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 Let's remove this and see what will happen. Okay. Okay, I think this is good. You just have to use your head. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's remove this. Now stretch this other one. So you have to adjust it. Okay. 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 Please make sure you participate in our bootcamp. That's our free graphic design class that will be coming up next week. Please don't miss it for any reason. It's going to be an intensive training. If you don't know how to design, I encourage you to join the class. Join the class. A lot of you have benefited a lot from my channel, and I decided to come up with this training because a whole lot of you don't understand what graphic design entails. So I'm going to be taking my time to explain the basic things you need to know about graphic design. Now if you are done, go to your stroke width, increase it. Wow, this is good. Hope you can see what we are doing. So change the font to this other font, this last one I just highlighted. You know, before it was here, so I took it to the other side. So guys, as you can see, we are done. Increase it, increase it. I think this is okay, guys. Yes, this is okay. Now you can now adjust. You can adjust it now. It all depends on what you want. Okay, just a little adjustment. Please, when doing your own, take your time to do it too. I know that many of you are surprised that I was able to do this with my smartphone. Of course, very possible. There are a whole lot of things you can do with your smartphone. Don't ever limit yourself because of the kind of tool you are using to create design. No. Please don't limit yourself. The more you limit yourself, the more you limit your creativity. So just try as much as possible to make do with what you have. If the Lord provides for you, you can go ahead and buy a laptop. But for now, maximize your smartphone. Use it and create design. Make money with it. Make money with it. People are cashing out with their smartphone. You are complaining. Don't complain. Yeah, don't complain. So thank you so much for your time. This is Vixen Tech.